These are Dover with a mad mod. Parking deck elevators. Did we just stop? Oh, we did. Door closed. What the? I think these are getting modded. Hold on.
Florida versus Houston for the NCAA championship.
Oh, no shit, that's tonight. I don't really follow that. Damn, all right.
There you go.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Going up?
Yeah.
Which one?
4.
3. Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You going up or down?
Down. It's 4, right?
Yes, casino 4. There you go. I think they're busy. Hey, oh, actually, that's my floor. This is going down. Try to get the other one back so we get at least get a cab view. Oh, it's here. Oh. You're welcome. Here's a cab. Actually pretty nice for a parking garage elevator. These used to be Dover. Oh, that sounds great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, these two looks like they are both not working. They're in the process of getting modernized, so this is a mod in progress. Yeah, there's 4 of them, right? That's it.